What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching yesterday's video. Today we have customer orders we gotta do. We gotta do some hats. We got some sold on Shopify, and we also gotta do a restock in the trailer. If you do not know what I'm talking about, watch my last videos, you will know. Let's get to the video. I don't want to make this super long, but it's going to be a busy day. So let's get to it. I'll see you guys in a bit. Real quick, if you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur and I make day in the life videos every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. Now that you know that, let's get going. All right, you're probably thinking to yourself, Nick, why are you cutting so much? Well, I ran out of laminate and I knew I needed 8 sheets and I only had 5. So I had to get creative and I started cutting off pieces, as you can see, individual pieces. So this took me a lot longer than expected, but we did get them done. So I am happy, and I actually ended up getting my laminate just shortly after I had to do that. So it's kind of funny, kind of annoying, but you know what, that's life. I am really starting to enjoy these cubbies. It is very convenient. I do forget to grab them and put them on the table, but I did remember today. I think in the last video I forgot to do that, but you know what? It's really good, and I need to get another one. I really want to start expanding this out so we can go full remote. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I do have a couple mug boats that I got sold. I do need to bring more of those in. Here are some decals that I am de-weeding. This is the 1776 flag decal. Used to be very popular, but they stopped selling. But you know, I sold one today, so I'm pretty pumped on that. And then here we're getting our hats pressed, which I'm pretty pumped about. I really like these. They are selling, and I'm so stoked I got 2 sales on these. And then I also am making some for the trailer as well. Alright guys, so I got 2 orders right here. These are going to a customer. So I got these going out, so I'm gonna ship out. And then the trailer I'm bringing 2 of these, and then I'll show you in just a second the green one. And these green ones right here. So these are the most popular ones that I sell, the green. So if you do want one, link will be in the description. It really helps out my business and obviously helping out a small business as well. So. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's go over yesterday's revenue to share how much money we made. All right guys, so starting with eBay, we made $68.13. We also made $70 on our Coastal Cowboys Shopify store yesterday. We made $442.81, so we now a total of $581 yesterday in revenue, which is our second highest day this month, which is great. So we're at $7,839 this month. Guys, if you are interested in a Coastal Cowboy hat, I will have the links in the description. And then also, today is going to be either a very good day or a really bad day for eBay, because I'm getting reevaluated today, and if I end up it says I'm above standard again, which I've been below for like a year or over a year, which means I couldn't advertise my listing. So guys, if I get the above evaluation today, I think like 100% I'm going to be able to advertise again, which means I should have higher sales. So guys, please pray for me for later this day, because it still hasn't changed. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. It also helps other people find my channel just like yourself. And also subscribe down below if you like this videos. I make a video every single day until we hit 30K a month. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest. Actually, I won't see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys Monday, because I take days off now. See you guys Monday. Have a great rest of your weekend, a safe one, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.